Hi guys, my name is Vivan Singh and today I'm going to show you how to build a battle bus in Fortnite game. So let's get started. So you got only these pieces. So these are go to their size. So this can be. So of course we are going to build a definitely wheels. So you have to find a square part wheels. So we have 4 wheels. So we got 4 wheels now. So the wheels must be here. Just right here. So I'm going to put an exhaust pipe. Uh-oh, the Batman. So then the engine can comes inside the bus when the bus will go like this. Vroom, vroom. So just like that. Now the upside, we can build our lights. We can build the lights. This is a tail, this is the headlight on the back side. So this is a red color. Where is it? So it's right here. So this is tail lights. Tail light just like these. Tail light must be, and the battle bus color is, the battle bus is blue. It is blue. So we have to join it. So how I'm joining it, so please and like and subscribe guys, and make sure to comment down below. Of course we need to put a door over here. Then players can get out of the bus. So everything we want and everything's been made in Lego, and basically in Lego. And of course we are putting more lights. And this one is also headlight too. We have 2 headlights. This is a number plate. No, that's my mistake. This is number plate. So every bus has a name. So how would we put this one? Sunny Suburbs. Yeah, like that. So of course we are gonna be building a battle bus, a very new battle bus. So every people will get like or not. So we will see in the video show. So and also subscribe my video. You have every options what to say in the comments too. And share, like, and subscribe. And very last one is comment. Okay. So last one is comment. So pair balloon shoot. So I'm going to build the bear balloon shoot. Just how I build myself. I'm going to build myself. And of course we are going to build windows too. And of course we are going to build windows. Windows, we need these blocks. Going to find them. Okay, I got it. I got it to build the windows. But of course now let's build this window over here. Chain. Oh, I found it. A pair balloon shoot. A pair balloon shoot. I balloon make earlier yesterday. Yeah, I make the balloon parachute. But I'm going to put on the top a little bit and put the base plate up. Alright, now let's start to make the windows. Alright, so now let's make a window stands to see, then the players can see. But we also want to put the seats. Seats are really important for the players to sit inside. Everyone will sit. But everyone like to sit inside Uh-oh. What? Okay, come over here. Okay. Now done. Now the done on the windows. Now let's put these blocks. Light blue blocks. Just like these. And then it can actually look as window or not. But it will look window, trust me guys. But these blocks look like diamonds, but they're not diamonds. But, so now I'm building it. The battle bus will looking nice, and all the players too. Now the real windows are done now. Now let's put the seats. And now I only find only 3 old seats, but now it's time to build the new seats. Alright, now we're finally done. And also we need a steering wheel. Let's find it. I found it. Huh? Again? I found it now. Uh-oh. What I do, that's very bad. Like this. I put the steering wheel. Now it's time to put the seats. Number 1 seat for driver. It's not working. Try it. It works. The every Fortnite peoples will like the bus and players. Oh, they're enough. There's no space. Alright, now let's put those seats away. Now it's time to put the roof. But we have blue base plates to join this roof. Uh-oh. Just we done the battle bus. Of course, now let's put the pair balloon chute. No, the roof is broke. Alright, so now let's put the building. Alright, so now let's put the building technique blocks. So then the roof will not broke, and the blocks will crack too. Now we just done the battle bus. Look at the battle bus. Look at the battle bus. It's looking really nice. And the pair balloon chute. But of course we want to put a more Lego technique block. Alright guys. So but I hope you like this a battle bus. But the battle bus is too nice, right? Uh-oh. I will pick up it like later. So now let's put a technique brick and join the balloon parachute. Now we just done it. Now we finally done and finishing building the battle bus. But guys, I only finished the tire left. There are only last thing left only. What? Only few seconds left, guys. I have to do it. Alright, so now we are done the bus. Yesterday I also make the battle bus like this only. But now we can spin the wheel. But only battle bus only fly, not move that. Have you seen it? It's only flying. Alright, now let's spin the wheel. Alright. The players. Alright, all the players. Now every players are going to battle now. Alright, so the one player. So we have to pick a player. So we find this player. So this is American. This is the Captain America skin. We couldn't. So this is the Captain America skin. You can also couldn't imagine with it. So also we have fly, but this is only a design of his mask. So now let's put it in the battle bus. Alright, now the door is open. So now the Captain America can go. The Captain America can go inside the battle bus. But he couldn't go, but his hat is too big. But he can fit. So other people will go. Okay guys, so that's how I build in small building blocks and how I watch in a TV in a Fortnite game, and I imagined and how I creative in small building blocks and build it up very faster, guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.